Hello, and welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Carly, and this is Carly's Crafts and Interests. Today we're going to be doing a felt needle craft. I have, like this one. See how cute this little kitty is that I made? For this project, you will need a felt pad here. You'll be working on it. Felt needles. They come in different sizes. I got this all in a kit here. As you move you over here. See, I got my material here. You will also get the material here. I think this is cotton. This book doesn't even say, but I think it is. Today, since I've already got my kitty that looks like Hastings, my cat, I'm going to be making AJ over here. Now, AJ kind of looks exactly like him, but I thought, well, this is the near enough one to her. At least I think so. Let's see if there's a different. This is an all black cat. Nope. Nope. This is the closest. So that is what we'll do. So let me just put that there so I can see what to do. Now, I've already kind of started. I'm going to be back over here. And you're going to start off by making a marshmallow kind of like shape. It's the kind of the best way to describe this shape you're making. And as you can see, I'm just stabbing in the material here. There's no gluing, there's no anything added. It's just poking in your needles, and be careful because you will definitely stab yourself if these are sharp. So be careful. And they come in different sizes. They look the same except for their thickness of the needle. So you might find that one is more handy at one time or the other. And so I'm just making the marshmallow shape. I think I got it here. What's the next part? Well, the next part is I'm getting out some of this black material here. I don't need too much. Separate it out. Fold it. It says to fold it into kind of a triangle-y kind of shape. So I'll try to do the best I can here. See, the pad takes in all the needles so you don't poke holes in something. I'm just trying to make kind of an ear shape. got it. I'm going to put it onto my little, this is how you attach it. You do not attach it with tape or glue or anything like that. You literally poke it on and make it a part of the marshmallow that you just made. See? It's on your marshmallow. And you just keep on poking it. That's just what you do with this. It's part of felting until you're happy with it. And of course, it doesn't just have one ear. I'm going to make another. Do the exact same way. And start to prep it a little bit so it turns into shape, not just anything, but the ear shape. And we just and now she's got 2 ears. And that's just how you go. You just keep on you get a little bit. I'm just going how they are saying. For the next parts, and I can make them, they don't look super great at the moment, so I can definitely, she's got this circle here underneath her. The only adjusting you really do is you might scrunch up this cottony material and then poke it in. I think your ear got backwards, so I can just adjust it. Okay, and that's basically it. You just, look at your instructions and, just go as close to what they're doing as possible. I'm going to put a black piece here, put it across her there. Because she's mainly a black cat. It's like Of course, she has the white tuxedo-y kind of cat. And my cat AJ is like that, except she's an American short hair, so she looks more like him. But just for the video, I'm making her a little bit different. And that's okay, because you can make it, just be creative, make your kitty how you like. This would be a very long video if I went all through, because, and unless you're very experienced at needle felting, it does take time. But basically, just keep, poking the different little elements of your material in, whatever, what you choose. I have orange, I have white, I have black, I have gray, and, whatever combination of that. And eventually, you'll get one that looks like him. And have fun with it. And that's basically our craft. Be careful when using these. They are very sharp. But as you just poke in the material, it will stay and become a part of your little kitty that we're doing here. This kit also came with a way to make it into a phone charm. I did not do that. And I don't feel like doing that. It's an optional thing. And keep, having fun. And that's our craft today. Needle felting can be fun. It takes a little bit of time when you are getting used to it, but it makes it, it makes a cute little, you don't have to make cats. You can make all, this is just what the kit that I have is for cats that you can do. You can get a lot of different kinds of needle felting, and it's fun, pretty easy. You just have to watch out for these because they are sharp. And just use your imagination of whatever it is that you are felting. And eventually, you'll come out with a kind of a cute craft. If you've subscribed, I'm glad that you have, and glad to be with me. Thank you for helping this little channel to grow. Without your help, it doesn't grow very well. And I love to do these crafts to show you, this is something that I haven't really done a lot of, and I thought, hey, this is kind of cool. Let's do this one. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. It's free. I can't charge you anything at all. It just helps the channel, helps me grow, and I would really appreciate that. And till next time, without further ado, keep crafting and have a great day. Bye for now.